Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Thousand Island dressing is an American salad dressing and condiment based on mayonnaise that can include olive oil, lemon juice, orange juice, paprika, Worcestershire sauce, mustard, vinegar, cream, chili sauce, tomato puree, and ketchup or Tabasco sauce.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Big Mac sauce is not Thousand Island dressing. Thousand Island dressing requires tomatoes, which isn't actually an ingredient in authentic Big Mac sauce. For this same reason, I also make my Big Mac sauce without French dressing. You will find 95% of the Big Mac sauce recipes on the web call for French dressing. 16 December 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Heinz, the popular ketchup brand, took to Twitter Thursday with a poll about a potential product launch, a concept they billed as novel to American consumers, a pre-made combination of mayonnaise and ketchup. Support our journalism. Subscribe today. They called it Mayochup. The 13th of April 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.